Your question is, who recognizes the political parties in India? Your options are A. President of India, B. Election Commission of India, C. Ministry of Law and Justice, or D. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Right answer is B. Election Commission of India. Your question is, to be recognized as national party in India, a party must have secured at least how much percentage of votes in the previous election? Your options are A. At least 10% of valid votes in 4 or more states, B. At least 4% of valid votes in 4 or more states, C. At least 15% of valid votes in 4 or more states, or D. At least 6% of valid votes in more than half of the state, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Your question is, a political party in India can be recognized as national party if it has state party status in at least. Your options are A. 3 states, B. 4 states, C. 5 states, or D. 7 states. Right answer is B. 4 states. Your question is, a political party is recognized as a regional party if your options are A. It gets 4% in the state either in Lok Sabha or the assembly election, B. It gets 6% in the state either in Lok Sabha or the assembly election, C. It gets 8% votes in the state either in Lok Sabha or the assembly election, or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. It gets 8% votes in the state either in Lok Sabha or the assembly election. Your question is, the word national in Indian National Congress was influenced by. Your options are A. Ancient Indian precedents, B. Reaction against British rule, C. European precedents, or D. Freedom struggle of America. Right answer is B. Reaction against British rule. Your question is, the Nationalist Congress Party was formed in 1999 following the split in. Your options are A. Shiv Sena, B. Congress Party, C. BJP, or D. BSP. Right answer is B. Congress Party. Your question is, the principles for election to the state legislatures include 1. It will be on the basis of adult suffrage. 2. There will be only one electoral roll for every territorial constituency. 3. Regional, race, sex, etc. will have no place in the formation of the electoral roll. 4. The political parties will be free to have their norms. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. Codes. Your options are A. 1, 3 and 4, B. 2, 3 and 4, C. 1, 2 and 3, or D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All the 4. It will be on the basis of adult suffrage. There will be only one electoral roll for every territorial constituency. Religion, race, sex, etc. will have no place in the formation in the electoral roll, and the political parties will be free to have their norms. Your question is, which of the following political parties is or are national political parties? 1. Muslim League, 2. Revolutionary Socialist Party, 3. All India Forward Bloc, 4. Peasants and Workers Party of India. Codes. Your options are A. 1, 2 and 3, B. 2 and 4, C. 3 only, or D. None of these. Right answer is D. None of these. Your question is, after the formation of Bharatiya Janata Party, who became its first president? Your options are A. L.K. Advani, B. A.B. Vajpayee, C. M.M. Joshi, or D. Sikandar Bhakt. Right answer is B. A.B. Vajpayee. Your question is, which of the following is a regional political party? Your options are A. Congress, B. BJP, C. CPI, or D. Akali Dal. Right answer is D. Akali Dal.